the noise when we turn on the AC or turn the wheel. The problem is the timing belt is kinda broken. Toyota Camry 1999. It will be same problem if when you turn the wheel will have a noise, or you turn on AC you have a noise. That's what have a problem with the timing belt. You need to change the timing belt. But first, before you try to change the timing belt, make sure that the loop steering wheel over so that that problem might work. This is the new one. It's not black like the one in my car. Take to mechanic or you can change by yourself to fix this problem.